In today's world, people are more inclined to shop online than offline. Such as there is a golden opportunity for online product seller to succeed. Amazon is one of the leading online marketplace for selling products. If you want to sell your product on Amazon, you have to fight against thousands of sellers on Amazon. So it is very important to show how you are showcasing your product to the customer. You need to arrange the detail of your product in such a way that customer come to your product page and can get a complete idea about your product and eventually ends up buying it. Hello guys, this is Russell from Ecomclips. In this video, I am going to discuss some tips to optimize Amazon product images and generate more revenue. If you look at Amazon listing, you will see the most sellers do not use more than 2 or 3 images in the listing. Since Amazon gives you the opportunity to use 7 or 8 images, why do not take the opportunity? By using all the slots, you can make the detail of your product more beautifully. You can upload many images to Amazon, but you must remember to specify which image is your primary product. You must decorate all the image serially. Sort from the beginning according to importance. You only need to show the product that you want to sell on Amazon in the case of the main image, so that a buyer can come to your product page and understand at the first sign what product you want to sell. You must use high resolution images to make your product looks beautiful and clear. It's not about increasing sales, but it's also a requirement of Amazon. Identify the important points of your product and highlight them in the form of bullet points. Your image plays a role in driving traffic. They are more concerned with converting traffic to your list. Use pictures from different sides of the product to give the customer an idea of what your product looks like. This will allow the customer to easily get an idea about your product. You could lose a potential consumer if you do not show all the features of your product in detail. You can use different types of lifestyle images to highlight how a customer can use your product and in what cases. This will make it easier to the customer to know how to use your product. In this case, by using your product, take a picture from your friends and relatives and use those pictures. If you want, you can create a lifestyle images of your product using Photoshop. If you have no idea how to create a lifestyle image using Photoshop, you can hire a Photoshop expert if you want. Finally, the importance of product image optimization for your business success in the Amazon marketplace is immense. If you want to compete with thousands of sellers on Amazon, you can easily achieve success in your business by following these simple steps of product image optimization. That's all from this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment and share the video. For any kind of design help, you can directly contact us via our website www.ecomclips.com. Links are added in the video description. For regular video like this, please subscribe to our channel Ecomclips and click the bell icon to get notification from our next video. Thank you.